Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite apps that I use daily. So this is your Google Keep. So this is a note-taking application from Google, which is can download from Google Play Store if you don't have it. You can also download it for your iPad or iOS devices. So why I like it, I have three reasons why I'm gonna share it with you today. And first off, I like it because it's simple. So Google Keep makes it simple for me to take notes even if I'm not connected to the internet. So if I'm out of the house, if I'm going somewhere and the signal is weak on my Wi-Fi or mobile data, I can still take down notes. And after I'm connected to the internet, I can sync all the notes that I've taken through my smartphone to the Google Cloud. So it's simple as that. So you can, if you are going to sync all your notes, you need Wi-Fi. If you want to make notes without Wi-Fi, that is also doable. Next reason is I like Google Keep because it is feature packed. What I mean by feature packed is as a note taking application, it has the necessary features that you want. This is accessible right on this screen. So if you want to have a quick jotting down of notes, and you want to take down notes quickly, there you can access it through this plus icon. And I use that a lot. I tend to gravitate toward this obviously when you want to make notes, and I always use the checklist feature. So that enables you to make a list items for your groceries or things you have to buy on any store so you don't overspend. So as you finish a task or if you have bought an item, you can check it so it gets out of the way and lets you focus on the things you need to do or you need to buy. That's what I like. That's all the feature that I need, and the Google Keep is implementing that feature for me very, very well. It also lets me label my notes. So it's like the Twitter hashtag. So if I want to label a note into something, I can just put, if I can just add it in here, or I can just type hashtag to any of my notes. I have it here sometime here. So you can type hashtag something. It will add as a label. So when you go right here, you have all your notes and the labels that you assign it. So if you tap on it, all you can see is the notes that belongs to this label. So that's it. I like that. You can sort out your notes. If you have 100 notes, 100 files, you can group them into labels. I like that. You can also archive notes. You can delete notes and bring it back. Also right here, archiving and trash. So number 2, feature packed. Not really that exciting compared to other application, but that is the nature of a note-taking app. You don't need anything, although you can have drawing features and audio recording features and attaching of photos within your notes. I don't use this a lot. I can just take a photo, put it in my gallery. I don't want it to mix in with the notes that I have. I can also audio record through the recording application. I don't want it to mix down with my notes. If you want to do that, then you can. I don't also have the pen. If you are a Samsung Note user with a S Pen, you can really benefit with it since you can actually draw something. And my handwriting is not that good, so I don't use it I use the regular text and the list item features. And the last reason why I like Google Keep is it is fully integrated into Google. So if you are a Google user, if you dwell in the Android ecosystem, you will be happy to know that Google Keep can let you use your notes to Gmail. When you want to create a new email using some of your notes, when you go to your computer, you have the ability to access other Google services right on the right side of the browser window. So that's it. Some note-taking apps that I've used before can sync notes, but they are standalone applications that doesn't belong really in an ecosystem, and I kind of like it because I can put all my I can sign in all my Google accounts right in Google Keep and keep track of all the notes that I have, so I don't have to worry about uh, logging in, managing all my notes from different accounts and mixing them up. I just swipe this up or down right here. So this is a very new feature for this version of Android. So that's it. So to recap, it's simple, it's feature packed, and it's seamlessly integrated to Google. And I hope that you've been inspired to use this application. If you haven't tried Google Keep, you might as well start using it for 2020. Uh, get some notes, get some thoughts done. If you are the type of person that has a notepad and a pen, maybe you can try it. Sometimes you don't. You only have your smartphone with you. You can install it, and just in case moments you want to take down notes, you can use it for yourself. So if you like this video, please subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center. We repair LCD screens for Androids, iPhones, smartwatches, and we also replace batteries for those devices as well. So till next time, guys, cheers.